in this part of this video, I'm going to be talking about websites and marketplaces where you can actually sell digital products online. So the first one right here is actually known as Sellfy. Sellfy, just put in sellfy.com on your browser and it's going to bring you to Sellfy homepage, where you're going to see where it says effortless stores for skilled creators. It's an all-in-one platform with easy store setup, powerful marketing tools, and expert support at your fingertips. And right here, it has a free trial that you can actually start, right? And it says no credit card required, it's just 14 days free trial. And it says all-in-one creator platform, which is ideal for creators and online businesses who hate complexity but want results. And you can see right, you can sell ebooks and PDFs, you can sell music and audio files, you can sell digital art, you can sell videos and films, you can sell digital products. They sell your own digital products, ebook, music, videos, designs, and more. And here it says merchandise, showcase your custom merch from trending apparel to distinctive accessories and more right here. And you're going to see lots of stuff. It also has an affiliate program. It says email marketing, communicate and sell directly to your customers through Sellfy's built-in email marketing feature. You can see right here it says upselling. Right here it says offer complimentary products or upgrade to your customers at checkout. It also has stock customization. It says save time and money with Sellfy, and it has a monthly subscription plan from $29 per month right here. So I'm still going to show you another platform right here. I'm going to show you two other platforms that you can use, and I'm going to show you a platform where it's actually free for you to sign up to, which means you don't have to incur monthly subscription for using the marketplace, right? It's actually free, so you don't have to use, or you don't have to pay monthly subscription. The platform is actually free, which means if you sign up now, you can start selling your digital products right here on the platform. So I'm going to go on to the next one, which is known as payip.com. So once you put in payip.com, you're going to see where it says sell digital downloads, courses, coaching, and more from one simple platform. It says we make it easy for you to sell anything online, anywhere. So it says enter your email address, get started for free, sign up for free, no card required, and you can cancel anytime. And here it says it's an all-in-one platform, everything you need to start, scale, and manage your business. It says digital downloads, sell any type of digital downloads such as ebooks, software design assets, template, video, music, and more. You can see online courses, coaching, membership, and you can also sell physical product. But this video is mainly centered around the digital product. And you can see that it's actually a premium platform, so you can actually start for free right here. It says all features, unlimited product, unlimited revenue, but it's actually a 5% transaction fee right here. And here it says $29 per month, $99 for the pro plan, right? So you can actually use this platform for free, so you can sign up right there. And the good part is it actually has the marketplace, right? So I'm going to click on marketplace, and you're going to see that lots of people are actually utilizing the marketplace, where people can actually come to search for digital products, and from there you can find lots of products that people can actually pay for, and you can make money from it, because actually a marketplace where people can actually find your product, your digital products, based on different categories that you've actually centered your digital product around. You're going to be able to make money. So for you to sign up on Payip Marketplace, just click on sign up, right, and you're going to be able to create an account. After creating an account, right, you can create a digital product where you can upload those digital products right on your Payip account. So I'm going to go on to the next one, which is known as Gumroad. It says go from $0 to $1. Anyone can earn their first dollar online. Just start with what you know and see what sticks and get paid. So in this part of this video, in this video specifically, we're going to be using Gumroad. So I'm going to show you exactly how to use Gumroad, how to upload digital products right to the Gumroad platform, and you're going to be able to make money right on Gumroad. So